Good morning, welcome to the engine shed, the arm of the Heritage Railway, the Tame Valley Line. I am Steve and this is what I've been up to. I've started out there, look. I've got that part to finish. And yes, I'll move you around and look. We have a train running. I'll move you up here. Oh, my glasses. And this is where the River Tame runs. I will run out there. I'm now working on this section. This is temporary here. And there's going to be a tunnel there. And Martin's Bridge is back in. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. I've got some more buildings there, look. This area's got to be stripped now and done. So I've been busy. Got some more new buildings there, look. Got a chip shop and other things. That area out there, as I say, I'm doing now. Well, in between doing other stuff. There's an house there. Oh, move that. Move the house. And the bay's been revamped. As you can see. Put that house there for a bit. So I've revamped the beach area. And I'm going to work on this area after I've done that area. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. From there to down there, like there, look. Well, to there really is finished. Nice to see trains running now, isn't it? Well, train. Yeah, it is nice to see train running. Can't really say trains, can say train. Because I've still got to connect that piece of track up there, look, from there to by them houses there. But I can now stand back and run engines. And that's how it's going at the moment. We have running engines. Hey. I've got to put the people on the platform. I've got to tidy this area up. But once that's done, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this side. Yep, I'm definitely happy with this side. I'm working on this side next. And then the castle area. Once I've tarmacked up there and put the trees in up there, that section's finished. So it'll be finished then to the Castle Mound. Oh, and we've booked next year's holiday. Yeah, I'll just let you know, I'm going back to America next year. But we'll talk about that, I suppose, later on. Anyway, I'm just waffling because I want to get some more work done on this area today over here. So I'm going to say it's time to say goodbye. So be good, be safe, but be happy. From me, Steve, to you all. Bye.